I'll start out the lesson by reviewing what a noun is, which a noun is a person, place, or thing, or idea, and then a proper noun is the names of important places, things, or ideas. And then I'll read the book If You Are a Noun by Michael Dahl. To start the instructional practice part, I'm going to write the following sentence on the board. So there are a couple proper nouns in this sentence, and I'm going to underline them. Like I said before, proper nouns are the names of important places, people, and things. So in this sentence, Tuesday would be a proper noun because it's the name of the day of the week. Sadie is a person's name, so that's going to be a proper noun. And then Hugh McGray Park is the name of the park, so that's also proper. And proper nouns also always have capital letters, so you can kind of pick out which ones in these sentences would be the proper nouns. Next, I'm going to write a different sentence that has a common noun and a proper noun. Can someone raise their hand and tell me which one the common noun would be in this sentence? Yes. Friend. Correct. And why would friend be a common noun and not a proper noun? Yes, it would be a common noun because it doesn't have the name like our friend up here in this sentence. It just has the word friend, which makes it common. Can I have somebody else raise their hand and tell me which one the proper noun would be? Good job. Eaton Elementary. And why would that be a proper noun instead of a common noun? Yes, it would be a proper noun because it's the name of the school that she attends. I'm going to write a few examples of common nouns and proper nouns. Can I have a volunteer come up and underline the common nouns? And can I have a volunteer come up and circle the ones that they think are the proper nouns? Correct. This is a common noun just because it's the word teacher. It doesn't have the name of the teacher. Like down here, this could be the name of our teacher, and since that's his name, it's a proper noun. And then this is the name of the state that we live in, so that's a proper noun because it's the name of an important place. And then a computer is just a common item. It's not proper or anything special. Now I'm going to write a couple more examples and ask for volunteers to come up and put C next to the word if they think it's common, or P if they think it's proper. can I have a volunteer come up for the first one, please? Good job. That would be a common noun just because it's a person, place, or thing, but not an important person, place, or thing. The next example would be a proper noun because it's the name of the company. New York would also be a proper noun because it's the name of the state. Have another volunteer. A chair, it's just a common noun. It's not an important place or thing or person. A book is also a common noun. And then Miss Hadley is a proper noun because it's the name of someone. Are there any questions about what a proper or common noun is, or how to tell in a sentence which one would be which? No? Awesome. Through the guided practice, I will give them an example from the list. And I ask each student to give an example of a proper noun for each category. Like for doctor, it could be Dr. Chalk. For friend, pick a friend's name. Bentley. A state, you can pick the state we live in or another state you know about. North Carolina. And then a principal, you can put your principal's name. These are just some examples, and so on your piece of paper, I want you to come up with an example for each one. Independent practice. I will pass out a worksheet that has 2 columns on it, and it has a bunch of words listed at the bottom that they will cut out and then glue on each column under which one they think it is, common or proper. And then at the end, I will wrap it all up and get everyone's attention again, and I will ask for some volunteers to share their work and go over again which ones are common and which ones are proper, and then I'll let them color it at the end. And that is all. Thank you.